it's Darla again. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you this crochet top that I made. I followed a tutorial by the lovely Teresa from Craving Crochet, and I'll put her link down below to the actual tutorial if you'd like to make it. I think it's really, really nice. I did it a little differently than she made hers. She made a front panel and a back panel and sewed them together. And since I was using this colorful yarn, I wanted to work it in the round. So that's what I did to have all the rows matching up. And it was just easier for me. And also, because she did the front panel and back panel, she just sewed the shoulders and then she made sleeves. I color controlled the sleeves so that they would match. She put a really nice border on her sleeves. I decided not to. I also wanted this design to be at the bottom. So I worked mine from the top down. That's how I did it to get these things across the bottom. That's how they go. I didn't block it. I don't block anything because I don't have those blocking pads yet. But yeah. So what do you guys think? It's not they're not colors I normally wear. But I think it looks pretty pretty. What do you guys think? I'll be right back to tell you what yarn I used. Okay, so the yarn I used is Hirschner's Pastry Plus yarn. And I got it from Hirschner's. It is 100% acrylic. Let's see. It's a 284 gram ball, 743 yards. Recommended hook size is 4 millimeter, which is what I used. And it says machine wash, made in China. The color is called, right there, Allspice. So, 743 yards in this ball. Pretty big ball. And this is the yarn that I have left. That's what I have left. It's in little balls because, like I said, I color controlled the sleeves. So I had separated what was left and made the sleeves. But yeah, look at all those beautiful colors. Now what to make with these? Could make little pumpkins, right? What else? Do you have any ideas? Whoop. Oh, better grab that. Otherwise the kitties will take it somewhere. So yeah, I really like the design of it. It did go a little bit off. I kind of wanted, a little straighter, but see, actually that's not that bad. But yeah, I think these colors are very pretty. So go on over to Craving Crochet's channel to check out her tutorial. She has other tutorials. She has one for a dishcloth gingham, I think it's called. And so I'm going to be making that one too. Not today, but soon, I hope. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. So check out Teresa at Craving Crochet. Hi Teresa, thank you for the awesome tutorial, even though I changed it a little bit. Yeah, sometimes we do that. All right, thank you so much. Oh, I also color controlled this part of it because I did these separately, sewed them on, and then I just crocheted the arms, the sleeves. Yeah. And in the picture you saw at the beginning, I was wearing a brown tank top underneath. Now I have a black one underneath. Which do you like better, the black one underneath or the brown one? Yeah, I value your opinion, everyone, so thank you. All right, so have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Oh, wait, it's Thursday. I'm ahead of myself. I'll see you tomorrow with the winners of the giveaway. I better not forget to do that. I won't forget. All right, love you all. Take care till tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.